Hello, good afternoon. It's 12:05. Am I audible, everyone? Am I audible, everyone? Alright. So let's start with the first question. I will type the question. I will write the question on the board. You cannot type, and you need to respond. Burning of a magnesium ribbon is example of which type of reaction? You need to answer in the chat box. Okay, am I audible? Am I audible now? Hello. Perfect. Now let's switch to the next question. Okay, I'm gonna write it over here only. CuO plus H2. CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. You need to identify the reducing agent. Identify the reducing agent. Identify the reducing agent in this reaction. Alright, H2. Alright. Identify the reducing agent. Okay, CuO. Any other response? 4 students have replied. Again, 8th CuO. Asia is saying CuO. Okay, Asia is also saying H2 together. H2, CuO, H2. What will be the correct? Mishri is saying H2, Nidhi is Acharya. Okay, so that will be my guess. That will be H2. Okay, let's see. Reducing agent and oxidizing agent. Reducing agent reduce other and oxidize itself. Okay. Oxidizing agent will oxidize other and reduce itself. So oxidizing agent, you always need to remember this trick, have oxygen, and reducing agent will be having without oxygen. That is a simple trick that you can, sometime it may not be, but see, for grade 10 such questions can be solved using this method. So if you want to find the reducing agent, it will be from these two only. यही दो होंगे जो oxidize या reduce होते हैं, these two only. Okay. So here without oxygen is H2, so H2 will be the correct answer. Okay. So H2 will be the correct answer. I hope it is clear. Any doubt you can ask? Any doubt? You can ask. First of all, because of the username or IDs, I cannot identify you. So please write your name and present in a chat box so I can identify how many of you are there. Write your name and present. Write your name and present so that I can identify you. Okay, Aryan, then Umang, Mishri. Okay. Okay, Priyanshi. Okay, Raj, Rizan, Parvo is there, alright. Jay is there. Okay, Sakshi is there. Wait. Done. Okay, Devanshi is there, good. Isha is there. Okay, which gas is released when H2 react with HCl? Sorry, zinc reacts with HCl. Which gas is released? Okay, Mai is there. Ayushman is there. Done. Which gas is released when Zn reacts with Cl? Hydrogen. Very good. Hydrogen gas will be released when Zn reacts with HCl. It forms ZnCl2 salt plus H2 gas. So here we need to write 2 to balance the equation. Hydrogen gas is the right answer. Perfect. Let's see the next one. Heating ferrous sulfate gives smell due to which gas? I'm giving options in this. Which gas? It is SO2 and SO3. Second, it is O2 gas. Third is H2S, hydrogen sulfide gas. And fourth is CO2 gas. Due to which gas? H is also present. Due to which gas? Okay, everyone going with option A. Perfect. Option A will be the right answer. Perfect. H2, SO2 and SO3. Okay, let's see the next question. Fifth. Okay, I'm asking it verbally. They are too knowledgeable. Substance X used for whitewashing wall. Substance X used for whitewashing the walls. Which substance is used for whitewashing the walls? Which substance is used for whitewashing the walls? You can directly answer. I don't need to write. Very good. Calcium oxide is used for whitewashing the wall. Okay, it's right answer. Next question. When lead nitrate powder is heated, reddish brown fume is due to blank gas. Which gas it is? No, these are not exercise questions. These questions are only there with me right now. After the lecture I will share. Due to which gas reddish brown fumes are present? Due to which gas reddish brown fumes are present? Nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen gas, NO2 gas. Which gas? Nitrogen gas. They are not replying before I ask, but the instant I just finished the question, they are just replying too quickly. PbI2, lead iodide. That is the substance form. It is not due to this. Brown fumes is due to NO2 gas. It is an activity. Okay, in that also it is mentioned that you need to keep your nose away. Okay, so that is due to NO2 gas, nitrogen dioxide gas. Okay, let me ask the next question. breakdown of pyruvate to give CO2, water and energy take place in blank. पढ़ के आते हैं सब. It takes place in what? Breakdown of pyruvate to give CO2, water and energy. What do you wanna write in this? Where it takes place? Aerobic respiration, mitochondria, in present mitochondria, aerobic respiration, okay, mitochondria, in presence of oxygen, okay. I just want to know the site, at which site it will be present, so answer will be mitochondria. Okay, this is the second half of the reaction. Next question is, which component prevent loss of blood at site of injury? Which component prevent the loss of blood at the site of injury? यहाँ पे लगा है. See again, Jay is too quick to respond. Very good, Raj. Which component? Platelets. Everyone is saying platelets. Platelets is the right answer. Platelets is the right answer. Let's see the next question. Filtration unit in human kidney. What is the filtration unit? Okay. Which is the filtration unit in human kidney? Okay, with statistical data, Aryan is saying 1 million nephrons in each kidney. Filtration unit in human kidney is nephron. That is the right answer, nephron. You all seem to be very clear with your basics, and that is very good sign. Gradually we will switch to the competency level. Okay, next question I am verbally asking. Bile juice is stored in which organ? 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 liver, gallbladder. Bile juice is stored in which organ? Gallbladder is the right answer. Very good. Okay, let's switch to the next question. Extracellular digestion occurs in which organism? Option A, amoeba. Option B, paramecium. Option C, fungi. Option D, human. Extracellular digestion occurs in which organism? Extracellular digestion. Okay, all options are considered here. Someone saying D, someone saying C, someone saying B, and someone saying A. चारों की बारी आ गई. Someone saying C or D. Extracellular digestion means food is broken down outside the body, not inside. So in amoeba, it is holozoic mode of nutrition it follows. Just like amoeba, paramecium follows the same holozoic mode of nutrition. In human also we are following the holozoic mode of nutrition. But in fungi, as it is a saprophyte, it consumes, okay, dead and decaying matter, so it is called as extracellular digestion. So C will be the right answer. Okay, very important question. C will be the correct answer. Okay, next question. Which acid is released during muscle cramp? Which acid is released during the muscle cramp? Alright, to respond. Everyone knows this answer, perfectly good. So nice. Well done. Lactic acid is the right answer. Lactic acid is released lactic acid is released during the muscle cramp. Also tell me in chat box which type of respiration it follows. Which type of respiration it follows. Also tell me that. Which type of respiration it follows. Yes, perfect. Anaerobic respiration. Lack of CO2. Let's see the next question. Movement of sunflower towards Sun is which tropism? Which type of tropism it is? Movement of sunflower towards sun is which type of tropism? Very good. Photo. Photo is the right answer, or you can write phototropism, but as tropism is given, you can just write photo, it's fine. Next question. Which plant hormone promotes cell division? Which plant hormone promotes cell division? I've given you the trick. Cell division. During the lecture I also said that this is a very important question. ये आता ही है. Okay, Ayushman is guiding Aryan. Auxin. Some are saying auxin, some are saying cytokinin. Some are saying auxin, some are saying cytokinin. Ayushman is sure that it will be cytokinin only. Cytokinin or nothing. Cytokinin is the right answer. I said C. C means cell division. And C means cytokinin. This is the trick I told you in the lecture. For G, that is the next gibberellin. What is the keyword for gibberellin? What is the keyword for gibberellin? Anyone remember? Cell enlargement. Cell division, cell enlargement, elongation of cell, that is a responsibility of auxin. Germination, no. Yes, it is growth. Very good, Mishri, Esha. Growth. Growth is the keyword for that, and that gibberellin is the answer. You just need to identify these keywords when such type of questions being asked. Okay, let's see the next question. Reflex arc. Next question is reflex arc belongs to which part of CNS? reflex arc belongs to which part of CNS? Very quick to respond. Very nice. Reflex arc is a part of spinal cord. Perfect. Reflex arc is a part of spinal cord. Next is deficiency of iodine in diet cause deficiency in which hormone? Deficiency. No, goiter is not the answer. Deficiency in iodine leads to deficiency in which hormone, not the disease. I'm asking about the hormone. Which hormone? Okay, now the correct answers are coming up. It is thyroxine hormone, deficiency of iodine in diet cause the deficiency in thyroxine hormone. Thyroxine is the right answer. Perfect. Let's see the next question. Which part of brain, human brain, which part of human brain maintains body balance and posture? Which part of human brain maintain body balance and posture? Ayushman is just sitting on the keypad, is waiting for the question and quickly typing the answers. Very good, Ayushman. Cerebellum is the right answer. I was waiting that anyone is replying for, you can say, cerebrum. Cerebellum is the perfect answer. Very good. Next question. Which hormone is responsible for fight or flight situation? Fight or flight situation. Which hormone is responsible for fight or flight situation? Fight or flight situation. Adrenaline. Adrenaline hormone. Adrenal is the gland and adrenaline is the hormone, right? So be specific when you write the answers for objective question. Okay? For 1 mark question you need to be very specific. If radius of curvature is 30 centimeter, then what will be the focal length? I couldn't ask more easy question than this. इससे easy तो कुछ है ही नहीं दुनिया में. I wish everyone must answer this question. Let's do very quickly. 15 is the right answer. Very good, everyone. Next is, which mirror is used as rear view mirror? Again, very easy basic question. Which mirror is used as rear view mirror? So quick. Convex, everyone is responding. Convex. Convex is the right answer. Convex is the right answer. Perfect. Oops. See, today I am writing more than you. You are just typing the answer. I am writing the stuffs on the board. Okay, let's see the next question. Power of lens having focal length minus 50 centimeter. No, it is not like that. Your net may be lagging and that's why you feel like this. Okay, everyone is responding like minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So many responses are there. Minus 2. Okay. Only Aryan have responded in a perfect way, that is minus 2 dioptric. Okay. Whenever you are writing the answer of power of lens, you need to mention the unit as well. Okay. So no one is mentioning the unit. You need to cultivate that habit. The unit लिखना ही है. That is a kind of muscle memory. And these all are very simple and easy questions. Nothing difficult. P is equal to 100 by F when we take F in centimeter. So minus 100 upon 50. So it is minus 2 dioptric. Only Aryan respond in this way. Okay. Now one verbal question related to this only. What if they ask you in this question, what is the nature of lens? Nature of the lens. No unnecessary comment I want. I just want the answers. That's it. Otherwise answer ऊपर चले जाएंगे. Which type of lens Anyone? Only 1 or 2 students have answered. Which type of lens? When the power is negative, it is concave lens, and nature, if they ask, it is diverging. This is the type of lens, this is the nature of the lens, that is diverging. Okay. So concave and real inverted, be specific, it is diverging. Okay, if you write concave, they will give you the marks. Okay, they can, but specifically nature is diverging. Let's see the next question. When light goes from air to glass, it will bend blank. From air to glass, it will bend blank. It will bend blank. Air to glass. Towards normal, toward normal, normal, it will bend toward blank. Away or towards? Away or towards? How you can identify? Air is rarer medium and glass is denser. So from rarer to denser, it will bend towards normal. It will bend towards normal because it is moving from rarer to denser. So that is why it bends towards normal. I hope it is clear. In such question, first identify कि कौन सा rarer medium है, कौन सा denser medium है, and later you can easily justify it. Okay. Next question. Virtual, then erect and magnified. Virtual, erect and magnified. In case of concave mirror, object position. You need to tell me the object position to get this image. Virtual, erect and magnified. You need to tell me the object position. Okay. So responses we have. All right. Between P and F is the right answer. Between pole and focus, it is the perfect answer. Very good. That is the image position. Here I am only concerned about object position. Okay. Image will be behind the mirror. That is also true. Okay. Let's see the next question. SI unit of refractive index. I am very much interested in this SI unit of refractive index. Very important question, बोर्ड में बहुत बार पूछा जाता है. SI unit of refractive index. Along with the answer, you also need to tell me the reason. Along with the answer, tell me the reason. You are saying no unit. Why no unit? Unit ही नहीं है ऐसा. Okay, H, very good, denoted as N and no unit. Okay, Vansh is saying it is a dimensionless. Why you find that it is dimensionless? How you find it? Okay, let me see if anyone have given the reason. Okay, so it is a ratio of velocities or speed of light. Okay, it is a ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium. So दोनों unit cancel. Okay, and this is the reason do not have any unit. Okay, let me give you the next question. List distance of distinct vision. इसकी वैल्यू क्या है? List distance of distinct vision. What is the value for this? Quickly, फटाफट आंसर दो. Least distance of distinct vision. Again, if you are responding without writing the unit, I will keep saying that again and again. That is a reminder. Units are must. वो तो लिखने ही है. Units are must. 25 centimeter. This is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Defect in which nearby object cannot be seen. Which is the defect in which nearby object cannot be seen? फटाफट, come on, जल्दी. Defect in which nearby object cannot be seen. Hypermetropia, farsightedness. They are the correct answers. Very good. Okay, let me give you the next question. Which color of light in prism I'm just checking before question anyone is answering or not. किसी का आंसर आ रहा है? Color of light deviates least. अब आएगा आंसर. Which color of light deviates least? While passing through prism, it is mentioned. That is the right answer. Perfect, simple. Next question is twinkling of star is due to blank phenomenon. Twinkling of star is due to blank phenomenon. Because of what twinkling of star occurs? Atmospheric refraction, scattering. Okay, atmospheric refraction. Twinkling of star occurs due to atmospheric refraction. Okay. Apart from this twinkling of star, also tell me one more any phenomenon that occurs due to atmospheric refraction. Any one more phenomenon that you know. कोई भी एक बता सकते हो आप. Sun is not a phenomenon. Rainbow, no. Advanced sunrise, all right. Rising of sun. Sunset. Okay, apparent sunrise and sunset. Very good. Array is also not a phenomenon. Late sunset, okay. Delayed sunset is a perfect as per NCRT. Aryan have written the correctly. Advanced sunrise and delayed sunset, that is another phenomenon occurs due to atmospheric refraction. Also you can mention the objects moving before you observe any fire. Okay, behind the fire when you observe any object, वो movement करते ऐसा दिखता है. So that is also a phenomenon. One more line is written in NCRT, apparent flattening of sun's disk. Okay, flattening of sun disk. That is also a very important question. Okay. Next is red color of sun at sunrise and sunset is due to blank phenomenon. Why don't planet twinkle? Yes, it is also included in that. Red color of sun at sunrise and sunset. It is due to which phenomenon? Red color of light during sunrise and sunset. Scattering. One is saying atmospheric refraction. Very important question. Twinkle. Red color of sunrise and sunset is due to scattering. Okay, Parvo. Very important question. Least refractive index. Least refraction. What? Atmospheric refraction. See, advanced sunrise and delayed sunset is due to atmospheric refraction. But red color of sun and sun during sunrise and sunset, it is due to scattering of light. It is due to scattering of light. It is just like danger signal is red in color. So that everything occurs due to scattering of light. Delay scattering, okay, that is also correct. Okay, one more question. Lens used to correct myopia. Lens used to correct myopia. Okay, lens used to correct myopia. Someone is saying concave or convex. Myopia. In myopia, concave lens is used to correct it. Okay, not the convex. बहुत ध्यान से करना है ये. ओके, बहुत ध्यान से. कॉन्वेक्स लिख दिया, आंसर गलत हो जाएगा. So I just seen the time. It is about an hour. Okay, 59 minutes since we started the session. Want to solve more? Across 30 questions we have solved, 30 objectives. Want to solve more, or we will end the session here? Many are saying yes, they still want to solve more. They are wishing you are just enjoying the show, that sir is keep on writing all questions. हमको तो कुछ नहीं लिखना है आज, सर लिखते जाएंगे. Okay, now few competency type questions we will solve. Not the direct one like this. Okay, let's solve the competency type question. I'm writing the question, it will be slightly long, so first read. Student add iron filling to blue copper sulfate solution. Color change after 30 minutes. What will be the color change after 30 minutes? Color change after 30 minutes. Wow, wow, Umang. Umang, you have shown the color as well. Okay. It is green or light green, both are correct. Get this. Let's see the next question. Volume ratio of gases at cathode is to anode in electrolysis of water. Volume ratio, I am asking. Gas is obtained at cathode and anode. Now you will all come in trouble. Very good, Umang. First you need to analyze which gas is obtained at cathode and which gas is obtained at anode. Anode positive, so generally oxygen gas will be obtained over here. It is negative, so hydrogen gas will be obtained over here. So in H2, in the reaction 2:1. 2:1 will be the right answer. 2:1, that will be the correct answer. Which type of reaction is decomposition of AgCl? Which type of reaction is decomposition of AgCl? Which type of decomposition reaction, you can say, is AgCl? Photo, what it is mentioned? Photochemical. Photolytic decomposition is the right answer. Very good. Next question. Blood pressure, vomiting, salivation, controlled by which part of brain? Blood pressure, vomiting, salivation, they are controlled by which part of brain? Medulla. Everyone saying medulla. Medulla is the right answer. Medulla oblongata, you can say. Medulla is the correct answer. Very good. Let's see the next question. Blank gland is known as master gland. Which gland is known as master gland? Which gland is known as master gland? Which gland is known as master gland? Pituitary gland. Again, it is a very important question. Okay, now you also do some hard work. Concave mirror, object distance is 20 centimeter. Object distance is 20 centimeter and focal length is 15 centimeter. You need to find the image distance V. चलो थोड़ा मेहनत करो. Why no numerical? एक तो तुम भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो. सब देख के ही बता देना है. Object distance 20 centimeter, focal length is 60, focal length is 50, object distance is 20. चलो एक न्यूमेरिकल ट्राई करो. Okay, minus 60. One answer I received, minus 60. Anyone else is getting minus 60? Anyone else? Okay, let me solve. You might have forgotten the steps. That's what I see. Here mirror formula you have to use 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. For concave mirror, focal length is always negative. So minus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by v minus of minus 1 by 20. So negative 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by 20. You can shift it over that side. So minus 1 by 15 is equal to, minus 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by v. So here LCM you can take 15 and 20. Sorry, mirror is there. So mirror formula में यहाँ पे प्लस आएगा, ये भी प्लस होगा, ये माइनस होगा, ये ठीक है. This was the error. LCM will be 60. Here it will be minus 4 and plus 3 equal to 1 by v. So v is negative 1 by 60. So minus 60 will be the answer. Negative 60. Yes, I have corrected it. Negative 60. Suppose I will give you the question. Let's suppose refractive index of medium A is 1.2, medium B is 1.73, medium C is 1.459, and medium T is 1.35. Okay, I've given you 4 mediums A, B, C and D. In which medium speed of light will be maximum and why? In which medium speed of light will be maximum and why? In which medium speed of light will be maximum and why? B, A, no idea. Very honest response, Parva, very good. I like such response. Okay, let's see the logic behind this. Refractive index is inversely proportional to speed of light. Okay, refractive index is inversely proportional to speed of light. So n is equal to C by V. So when you increase the, if you want to increase the refractive index, speed of light, then you need to decrease down the value of n. So option A will be the right answer. Option A will be the right answer. Okay, so we are getting up to here. Okay. So let's enjoy the Sunday, enjoy the rainy Sunday, you can say. Again it started. So I hope you had a great time with the questions and all the questions are clear. You are enjoying the session as well.